When people hear the word inflammation, they often assume it's automatically bad. But inflammation is actually one of the body's most important protection and repair systems. Without inflammation, cuts wouldn't heal, infections wouldn't resolve, and the immune system could not respond properly. The issue is not the inflammation itself. The issue is when the system stays activated for too long. Chronic inflammation can gradually drain energy, disrupt digestion, affect sleep, increase sensitivity, and contribute to symptoms like brain fog, fatigue, low mood, or feeling wired but tired. This is one reason gut and brain health are so connected. When the body feels chronically stressed or inflamed, the nervous system often becomes more reactive. And importantly, stress itself can contribute to inflammation. Poor sleep can contribute. Highly processed foods can contribute. Chronic overwhelm can contribute. That's why calming the system matters, not through perfection, not through fear, and not through trying to control every food. Usually, the biggest improvements come from consistent basics: more restorative sleep, simpler meals, less overload, better stress regulation, and giving the body time to stabilize. The goal of this module is not to make you afraid of inflammation. The goal is to help you understand how to support regulation in a calmer, more sustainable way. In the next lesson, we'll talk about food and why the best approach is usually gentle experimentation, not rigid food rules.